started the recording, my friends. Welcome to the 14th virtual MacFair International Festival, the Eureka quiz that we have. You are able to see that. I'm sure all of you can. I can see you guys also on screen. And the rules of the game, very quickly, if I can tell you, the Eureka quiz will have 4, maybe maximum 5 rounds, depending on the time that we have. Every participant, they most probably consider that 4 rounds, the 5th round only if there is a requirement of a tie break. Every participant will get 1 chance to answer his or her direct question. In this case, unfortunately, we do not have a her unless you want to convert. Plus 10 marks for every correct answer, minus 5 marks for every wrong answer, and minus 2 marks for a pass in every round. That means to say, potentially, you will get, so to say, 20 marks, or potentially you will get minus 10 also, plus 20, minus 10 per round. So the maximum, of course, is 20 into 4, 80. So probably anybody gets all 8 correct. That's great for them. The highest scorer will be the winner, and the second winner and the third winner. If there is a tie required, or if I need to kind of use a tiebreaker, I will use a tiebreaker with a few questions. Is that kind? All of you are ready, guys? Please be on. Yes, Devansh, any questions? Go ahead and ask.
Yes, sir. Suppose if a question is passed to me and I answer it correctly, would I get extra marks for that?
No. That's what I'm trying to explain. You have only, very unfortunate, I'm saying, guys, this is the first time I'm doing online quiz, while the classes I've done is hundreds of them. If this works, I can guarantee you that the next quiz that we're going to take up, and I'm going to talk to CMS, is going to be real with a lot of other jazzy things, as a real quiz will be. Right now, I don't want to take a chance with that.
Yes,
so
sir.
There is thoda sa, to be honest with you, a little bit of luck. You might get a little bit of easy questions. Typically, I know I have participated in some of these things, and I felt that मेरा question सबसे गलत था या difficult था, किसी और का question easy था. But welcome to the world, my friends. That's absolutely normal in life, I guess.
Yes,
okay.
sir.
So we have all 6. I can see all 5 of you on screen. Shashwat, Shaunak, Aditya, Samarth, and Devansh. I am saying all the very best to all of you. I hope you enjoy this completely. And I have some seriously questions. Before I kind of start the quiz, let me thank Dr. Tripathi, Dr. Kalpana Tripathi first, the principal of CMS Rajendranagar, and also Dr. S.C. Tripathi, who has been an amazing biology teacher, and he has been kind of helping me to get this up for you all. This quiz is not made by me. All omissions are mine, of course, but all positive commissions are by one amazing woman called Aparajita Tripathi. She is not there on the quiz. Otherwise, we both used to take this quiz together. But she's a director in a KPMG. She's a consultant. She is incidentally from CMS Lucknow. And she has graduated from there with flying colors. She went to IIM, Kozhikode, and now working variously with the government, as well as, of course, various private companies. Okay. With that acknowledgement, let me continue. The first question on the screen will be for Shaunak. Shaunak, are you ready? You have 30 seconds for each one of these questions. I'm going to time, and so will Tripathi ji. That is S.C. Tripathi ji, who's there on screen with me. I'm going to make sure that between the two of us, we don't miss out on anything. Fair enough? We'll try our level best to be fair to each one of you guys. Be as quick as possible. Try not to do any harafiri. There are 2 or 3 people watching you. Hopefully you will not look at any Google to get your answers. As I said, that's the reason why I don't want to look at the reason now, Devansh, you know why I don't want to pass. By the time you pass, the question is there. Okay?
Yes,
the answer
we can
will be there
Google
for
it.
everybody. I know almost everybody can Google it. 30 seconds is also a long time. If I find, unfortunately, that certain things are happening, I hope you will not. I might reduce the time to 20 seconds also, or 10 seconds also, to kind of make it really difficult for people to guess. With that, here we go. Eureka quiz, round 1, science and news. That's the first question. The first question goes to Shaunak Goswami. Here it goes, my friend. A very simple question. The film starring Dave Patel.
The Man Who Knew Infinity.
Very, very good. The answer is The Man Who Knew Infinity. Plus 10 for Shanak in round one, the first question. The second question that is coming up on screen for you.
Is what
Once
10
again,
or 20?
Plus 10, sir. Plus 10 for every correct answer. And minus 5 for wrong answer. Minus 2 for pass. Okay? Tripathi ji. So the second question coming on screen for you, that is for Samarth Pratap Singh. Here it goes. Your time obviously starts immediately. Which event was codenamed The Buddha is Smiling? I know a lot of you will answer the question, but hold on. Samarth, तुम कहां देख रहे हो? मुझे देखना पड़ेगा तुमको.
The pass.
Minus 2 marks for you. Anybody else wants to answer this question? By the way, no marks. Anybody wants to answer?
First nuclear test of India.
Very good. Very, very good. It's the Pokhran 1. It was codenamed Buddha Smiling, assigned on the 18th May 1974. The first nuclear test that we conducted, Indira Gandhi conducted there. Minus 2 marks for the first question for Samarth. No problems. Devansh, here
Yes, sir.
your question on screen. Your time starts now. What's the trademark name for a chemical substance recently discovered that is the darkest artificial substance known to man, absorbing 99.965% of radiation in the visible spectrum?
It's a carbon coke.
No, I'm afraid that's a wrong answer. Anybody else? The answer is Vanta Black.
Time up.
Yeah. Time up. Vanta Black. Minus 5 for Devansh for this. No problems. We have lots of time to make up, guys. The next question. Oh, sorry. Extremely sorry. This is for Shashwat. The next question. Start the timing. Shashwat Bajpai. This was in 2017, if I'm not wrong, that it crash landed. Five seconds to go. Difficult question.
It was something like King Air, King.
No, the time is up, so I'll give you minus 2 for this. Anybody?
Sir, something like Boeing 77.
It's Boeing only, but it is Airlander 10. And the last question in the first round, where it goes to Aditya Sharma. Aditya, are you ready? I hope. This is your question for you. The God particle discovered is a fundamental link in quantum mechanics and decays into particles called dash.
Oh, come up, come up. Oh.
Five seconds, Aditya. If you're passing, fair enough. Time is up. And the answer is minus 2 for you, friend. Sorry about this, but the answer is quarks. The first round is still not over. You have 10 more. Aditya, the next question is again back to you. Aditya Sharma, the question number 2 in round 1. Here it goes. The time starts now. In the movie Interstellar,
Oi.
group of astronauts travel through a wormhole. Which physics fundamental is the concept of wormhole based on?
It's based on the concept that when one goes inside a black hole. And
What is an
there's
answer? Sorry, what is the answer? What is the theory? I'll give you 2 more seconds. What is the theory called?
It's the concept of black holes emerging into white holes through a wormhole.
No, my friend, I would not give it. It is the Einstein's theory of relativity. Sorry about that, but then we'll look at that. The next question is to Shashwat. This is for you, Shashwat Bajpayee. The question on screen. What are the names of the twin unmanned rovers designed by NASA to tool on the Martian surface and transmit conditions on Earth? You are unmuted.
Spirit and Opportunity.
Brilliant, brilliant. 10 marks for you. It is Spirit and Opportunity, or Opportunity and Spirit. This is the right answer. Opportunity and Spirit is the right answer for you. Devansh Vora. Here it goes. Your question in round 1.
Yes, sir.
Right. This is easy. The third most famous law is the most famous. What is the second is of course given. What's the third? Arthur C. Clarke's theory.
Arthur C. Clarke's third law.
I'll give you 4 more seconds for you to give me an answer.
So any sufficiently advanced technology is something form.
So you have not been able to Google it properly. It is any.
No, sir, I haven't Googled.
No, that's okay. I'm just kidding. You haven't Googled. That's what I'm saying. Any sufficiently advanced technology is indistinguishable from magic. I'm going to -2 for you rather than -5 for this, for a simple reason that I think 30 seconds were over when you started off.
Okay.
We will reset this. Now, Samarth, this is the question number 2 for you. 9th question in this round. Samarth Pratap Singh. Here it goes. Very easy. Legilimency spell as described in Harry Potter. Which real scientific phenomenon of today's world is the concept closest to? Samarth, you need to be unmuted to answer the question.
So telekinesis.
Telekinesis. It is telepathy. A very simple one. I know you thought about kinesis, etc. as this. -5 for you, my friend. I'm so sorry about this. The last question goes to Shaunak. Shaunak, here is your, unmute yourself before you give me an answer. The 10th question, the last question of round 1. I'll give you 5 more seconds for reading this. DNA tests are increasingly gaining popularity to establish ancestry and tracing lineages. What is the DNA test that is used to trace all of your family ties and can be taken by both the genders?
A company, I can say. The company.
No, not the company. I wonder what is the DNA test called? I presume you're going to pass this? Stop. 35 seconds are over. -2. So at the end of round 1, I have 8 marks for Shaunak, -7 for Samarth, -7 for Devansh, +8 again for Shashwat, and -7 for Aditya. I'm just going to, before we go, let me just do one small thing. Just 1 second, guys.
Sir?
Yeah.
Sir, I have an objection with question 6 of this round.
You can always object later on in life. I mean, you can always look at objection. See, one of the problems with quizzes is there will always be some issue or the other. Aditya. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay? So why I understand that there could be, you can make up for this. And at the end of it, if I find that there's any kind of a mistake, we will take it up. Okay? Relax. Don't worry. See, I'm not that bad also. Except that when you do a quiz, what unfortunately happens is the umpire is still right. You know, there is very precious little one can do about this, is what I would say, with due respect to all of you. Here, once again, we go into Shaunak as my round 1. That the last one answer is DNA fingerprinting, guys. My mistake. It is DNA fingerprinting. DNA fingerprinting or autosomal DNA test, it's called. Okay. So now end of round 1, round 2, we will look at personality, some of the very easy ones. I'm sure you should be able to make up personalities, phenomenon, or things. Here we go. The first question, once again to Shaunak Goswami. I know it's a little difficult that we are not even seeing each other, but let's start. The first question, easy question, I think.
Salim Ali, Dr. Salim Ali.
Very, very good. Plus 10 for you. Dr. Salim Ali is the right answer. Salim Abdul Ali is the right answer. Second question to you, Samarth. Here we go. This is also easy. Absolutely easy for you. Samarth Pratap Singh. In fact, just gone by 15 September. We celebrate this as an Engineer's Day. Who is this gentleman? An amazing gentleman. I'll give you a clue also. He's from Bangalore, Karnataka. Samarth. I'm afraid the time is up, my friend. Anybody wants to answer this question? Anybody? Unmute yourself and answer this question. He's a very important engineer for us.
Sir, may I?
Sir, can I answer?
Who is this? Can I answer?
Sir Samarth.
Samarth, थोड़ा late हो गया बेटा. हाँ, answer तो कर सकते हो, but you will not get any points.
Sir, I think he was Visvesarya. something like
Sir, I am Vishweswaraya.
Mokshagundam Vishweshwaraya. Absolutely correct. Okay. Sorry, friend. I will take it as -2 for you simply because you have not answered in the 30 seconds. Devansh, this is the third question for you on screen. Here it goes. This is easy. Very easy.
Auto physicist won the Nobel Prize in 1983. Indian American.
If you get it wrong, you'll get -5.
Abhijit Banerjee.
Abhijit Banerjee got it for economics and it's 1983. Astro.
I like to pass it, sir.
I'm so sorry, but I have to give you a -5.
I answered it, yes.
I'm sorry about this. You did answer it, whether you like it or not. I have to be a fair, supposed judge at least. Anybody, guys?
Chandrasekhar?
Yeah, of course. S. Chandrasekhar. I think this was I thought was a very easy question for a lot of you. Anyway, Shashwat Bajpai, this is your question number 4. This is easy. J.C. Bose invented this machine so that plants will feel the pain. What is this instrument called? Shashwat.
Criscograph.
Very brilliant. Criscograph is the right answer. Criscograph is the right answer. And the last question in the half of the round of round 2 goes to Aditya. Aditya, you can make up now. Here it goes. A famous, I'll give you an example, scientist, a great physicist also. I'll give you this for this guy. Very well-known physicist. I'm afraid the time is up. Anybody?
Sir, Richard Feynman.
Richard Feynman.
Excellent, excellent. Richard Feynman. The moment I said physicist, you should have got it, even if you don't remember the scientist kind of things. -2 for you. Once again, I'm going back to you, Mr. Aditya Sharma. This is your next question on screen. Here we go. This is easy, yaar. Mr. Watson, come here. What is the significance of these lines? Who made them? And let me tell you, it's not Sherlock Holmes. See, I'm giving you enough of a hint now.
that I want to pass.
Pass is what Mr. Aditya has said. The answer is it was the first word spoken over phone by Alexander Graham Bell to his deputy, Dr. Watson, in 10th March 1976. By the way, there is a lot of, controversy of who started telephony. Frankly, some people say Alexander Graham Bell, but some people say that it's not. Okay, let me pass on that, but this is no controversy, at least for the moment, at least. Okay, here we go. Shashwat, 7th question in this round. Second question to you. Here it comes on screen, and I'm going to start the timer. This is easy again if you know Bengal. Shashwat, you need to unmute yourself before you answer.
C is Ray. C.
What Ray? What Ray is he?
C. C or P.
C or P. He is both C and P. He is PC Ray.
PC Ray.
I'll still give you full marks for this. He is Mr. Ray, PC Ray, very well known in the pharmaceutical industry. I think you are doing a good job, Shashwat. You have kind of taken the number by storm. You are ahead of a lot of others. But then we have two more rounds, or even 3 more rounds. There are lots to make up for and lots to lose. Devansh, here your question number 2 in this round. 8th question for the entire round. There we go.
3 women.
This is easy.
In physics. One is Marie Curie. The second is Maria Goeppert-Mayer, and third,
there are only 3 women who got Nobel Prize in physics. And very recently, I will call it. And in fact, I'm going to give you the year 2018.
2018.
Devansh Vora, 2018, she got it. One more example. 5 more seconds. Canadian.
Donna Strickland.
Donna Strickland is the right answer. I will give it to you. It's not easy question, but a brilliant answer. Very good. Very good. Samarth, this is your question. Number 2 in this round. Samarth Pratap Singh. Take your time. 30 seconds to go. Here it starts. Very, very easy question. Name the islands that Charles Darwin visited in Ecuador in 1835. And it was the one which inspired his theory of evolution. Very famous islands. Very famous. If you have read anything of Charles Darwin, you will find this. Samarth, 3 more seconds to go. 4 more.
Galapagos.
Galapagos is the right answer. Absolutely. Full 10 marks to you on this, Samarth. Very, very good. The next question that I'm going to give you is to Shaunak. The last question in round 2, my friends. Shaunak Goswami. Here we go. The time starts now.
Alternating current.
Very good. But what is that? Alternating current is correct. What is
AC generator.
Is it a generator?
Transformer.
I don't know whether I should give it to you or not. It is not the generator. It is alternating current, all right, but it is the AC induction motor, not the generator, not the transformer. So hence, I will not be able to give you, but Shaunak, that you got it alternating current, which is the most important discovery, so to say, or a legacy. I will not give you any negative for this. I will not give you positive also. I'll make it 0 for this time. I know it is not easy, but I'm going to give you the scores in a moment. I'll going to give you the scores in a moment for this round. Okay, I have to copy this for a moment. Just a second. We will take you to round 2 and end of round 2. Let's look at what is the score. Your score was, okay, 10 marks. We had 8 marks for Samarth. Devansh had 5 marks. We had 20 for Shashwat, and Aditya is -4. As of now, The leader of the group is 18 right now for, no, not really. This is 1 minus 2 for Devansh. 28. The number 1 as of now is Shashwat Bajpayee, and Aditya is at minus 11. 2 questions and you will be at plus 20 straight up. I think it can easily be done. We are now going to round 3. All of you can see round 3. It's a general science question. I hope so. No problems. Okay, let me see all of you. Yes, I can see all the 5 of you. Tripathi ji, shall we go to the next one?
Sir, bilkul
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Now round 3, we have 5 more, again, 10 more questions. I don't want to change. Maybe I'll change the last round. I will give the 5th round also to kind of make it really interesting. Maybe. The 5th question, the first question on this once again. Shall I now start with Aditya? This one I'll go from Aditya to Shaunak and Shaunak back to Aditya. Aditya, this is your first question on screen. I hope this is an easy one. I don't have a clue about whether it's easy or difficult. Here it goes. The first question. This is easy. This is easy for you, Aditya. Just see if you can answer. We still have a lot of people seeing you also, by the way.
Detergent. See, detergent.
Detergent is right. Plus 10 for you, Mr. Aditya Sharma. Very good. Detergent is the right answer. A lot of easy questions. Shashwat, Samarth, you are already at the top. You can take it away to the next level if you get this question right. The next question is very, very easy. Extremely easy, actually. Be careful when you answer this question. Sorry?
So for whom this question is?
This is for you, Samarth. Sorry, Shashwat, my mistake. Shashwat Bajpayee.
0 degrees Celsius.
0 is the right answer. Very good. This is the next question is to Devansh. 0 is the right answer.
Yes, sir.
Devansh, here
Yes.
your question. Simple question once again. Which is the largest fish after whale shark? This is for Devansh.
Sir, blue whale?
Guys, anybody who's giving on the chat, please don't give. Thank you so much, Parth and others, but please do not give anything on the chat except to privately. Very, very wrong, my friend. It's called the basking whale. And hence, I have to give you, Devansh, unfortunately, a -5. Next question to Samarth. This is for you, Samarth Pratap Singh. You are doing fine, but let's see whether you can get that extra 10 here. Samarth Pratap Singh, the question number 4, number 1 for you in this round. Very easy. Very easy. Which was the element in the periodic table whose discovery was assisted by Niels Bohr? Samarth, this is your direct question, friend.
Or discovery.
3 more seconds. Samarth is not answering. Anybody else? That's done. Time up for
Sir,
him.
borium.
No, it's not borium. It is hafnium. It is hafnium. That's okay. No problems. We will look at this. The last question after the last question in this round, it goes to now Shaunak. Shaunak, your time starts now. Be careful to get the right answer. You're doing well. Shaunak, how many amino acids make up the human insulin? Either you know the answer or you don't know the answer. How much ever you see wherever else.
Pass.
Okay, my friend is going to pass. -2. The answer is 51.
51.
The answer is 51. Okay, once again, Shaunak, pressure on you. One more question. Unmute yourself and give me the answer. Here is the question that goes to you now. Sixth question. Very easy, I think. In computability theory, if a system of data manipulation rules is such that it can be used to simulate any Turing machine, it is called what?
Artificial intelligence.
No, it is not called artificial intelligence at all. It's called Turing complete, my friend. I'm sorry, -5 for you on this. You've got a little bag, no problems. Samarth, this is the question for you in round 3, second question, 7th overall. Samarth Pratap Singh, this is for you. Here we go. This is easy. Yeah. Nainital is at, either you get a +10 or a -5. Nainital is at a higher altitude than Lucknow. At which place of the two does water boil at a lower temperature? Samarth Pratap Singh, what's your answer? I need to see your face a little better. That's fine. Similarly, all of you, make sure that the way you keep your Devansh, you are good. Aditya, you are good. Shaunak, you are good. Nainital. Sure of this? I will give you +10. Nainital is the right because it has lower pressure. Next question to Devansh. Devansh, here is the
Yes,
time
sir.
where you can get 10 marks. Simple question coming up for you.
Which physics phenomena is major caused by lightning in the sky? Lightning in the sky. I don't know outage. Reflection.
Lightning. Think about it.
Really
35 seconds are over. So sorry about this. So -2 for you. Anybody knows this? It is electrostatic discharge, or it's also electric field generation. Shashwat Bajpai, this is for you. You are on a roll. Let's see if you get this question right. Unmute yourself, friend. And I'm going to give you this question. Here it goes. Not an easy question. Let us see if you are going to make this. Corals are underwater ecosystem characterized by reef building corals. These reefs comprise colonies of basic units which form long chains and are all only one of the two forms found in the phylum Cnidaria. What is the name of the basic unit? Yes, Parth, but give it privately. The time is up. Unfortunately, -2 marks for you. You know, it's a difficult kind of a quiz that I'm doing because normally if you pass, you will not get the answer. I mean, it's bad. Samarth Pratap Singh, it is polyps. It's called polyps. And this is for, or the second form is called medusa. And the last question for you, Aditya, you have done well with the 10 marks. Here we go. This is your question. This is easy, possibly. LPG gas is odorless. What do we put so that, you know, we get the gas? What is that to make sure that it is odorful? Aditya, Samarth, I'm seeing your screen, I'm seeing the fan. I need to see you better. So just change it correctly. Aditya, what's your answer? No answer.
Pass.
Anybody? Yeah, Aditya, you're getting no answer. -2. Anybody giving the answer for this?
Mercaptan.
Yes, ethyl mercaptan is the right answer. Not sulfur, not. That's very brilliant, Parth. That's good. Parth has been there outside. The answer is ethyl mercaptan. Okay, we got -7 here, +8 here, -7, +8, and +8. Let me just quickly add your scores and give you the latest scores at this stage at the end of round 2. Last round 3, sorry about this. Here we go. Oh, sorry. Just a second, guys. Typically as a round 1. At the end of round 2, we had this one. Yes, round 2. And now I'm going to give you round 3. Okay, we can look at this. What happened in round 2? Well, look at this. Round 3, we had -7 for Shaunak, +8 for Samarth, -7 for Shashwat, 8 for -7 for Devansh, 8 for Shashwat, and 8 for Aditya. And which means we have 18 minus 7, that is 11, 1 plus 8, that is 9, minus 2 minus 7 minus 9, 28, 36. Our friend is going very brilliantly. Shashwat Bajpayee, kya kar rahe ho mujhe nahi pata, and +8, that is -3. Still nothing lost, as you can see, guys.
Sir, in Shaunak, you have written 111.
हाँ थोड़ा ज़्यादा लिख दिया ना मैंने. 18, it is 11. Right. Okay. Round 3, we have done. Okay. So we have 36. Okay. Shashwat is doing a fantastic job, guys. Shashwat, all the very best for the last round. You can still make 20. The rest of them can still make 20. I told you I will probably go with another round 2. That will still make it 30 marks to go. 30 marks. If Devansh gets also can get to number 2. Aditya can get to 27. All of them. And Shaunak and Samarth, you can still win as much as Shashwat can. So I'm going to go for round 4. Here we go. Round 4. Once again, we'll start with Aditya here. Aditya, your question 1 starts here. Round 4. Round 4. Aditya Sharma, this is for you. This is for you. Here we go. The first question. What is the reason for the astronauts not belching or burping? Yes, Aditya.
This is because of the pressure. There is no atmospheric pressure.
So therefore what? There is
Therefore, there is no
lack of
difference in
gravity.
pressure between
Lack
the
of,
air.
it's basically atmospheric pressure is lack of gravity, and therefore there is no rise. I won't be able to give you the answer. I will take it as -2 for you, not -5. Shashwat Bajpayee, you're on a roll. Unless you make a harakiri, you will still win. Shashwat, unmute yourself. This is your question. What is the bridge structure between the nose and the lips called? I can't hear you. If you are giving me an answer, I want you to voice is not clear. Have you unmuted yourself, Shashwat?
Yes, sir.
Ha, bolo. Is there an answer?
Sir, I don't know.
You don't know. -2. Anybody? The answer is philtrum. Its answer is philtrum. It's a very difficult question. Devansh, this is for you, friend. You have
Yes, sir.
tried a lot. Let's get this going. The next question here on your screen. I'll give you 5 seconds extra for reading this. What is the metric system called of American system? That's the question.
I don't know what question is.
The question is, what is the American system called? What is the American system of measurement called?
Like gallons and all.
No, either you know it or you don't know it. It's a very silly answer. Actually, if you know the answer, you'll say, what crap. But that's the answer. No, it is not the imperial system, Aviral. Aviral is giving me the answer.
FPS.
No, it is not FPS. The answer is simply US customary units. -2 for Devansh 2. I think the fourth question should be easy for you, Samarth. You are doing a good job. Samarth, there is a very good chance of you making up. Can I see your face a little better? I know you are seeing from the phone. Yeah, I can now see you. Right. Here your question. What is the medical name for the term for the disease chickenpox? Can I see, again, I need to see the full face of you, Samarth, if you don't mind.
Frozen.
Sorry?
Your screen is frozen.
Acha. My screen is frozen.
Yes, Samarth.
Samarth's screen. Samarth, can you answer the question?
So it is varicella.
Your screen has got frozen for a long time. I'll still give it to you.
Sir, am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible, but your screen has got frozen. I'll give it to you. Varicella is the right answer for this. But can I, again, the fourth time I'm asking you.
Hello?
Samarth, can you hear me?
Hello?
Yes, Samarth. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir, now I can hear you.
So again, the way you need to, if you're seeing, if you're seeing me, and if you're seeing a watch, please put it like this, not like this. You know, I want you to see it in a full form. I don't want to see the fan. I need to see you. Is that clear? Okay. The next question to Shanak. This is your chance of getting back into the lead, my friends. You can do this. Here your fifth question. What is the scientific term for an apparent throwback characteristic of an organism that reveals the trait of an earlier ancestor?
Pass.
Pass is what you're saying. It's called atavism. It's called atavism or color blindness. -2. I'll go back to you once again, my friend. Reset the thing. Round 4. Last 5 questions before we finish round 4. Shanak, this is the question for you once again. In which part of the body can you find the smallest bone stapes?
Middle ear.
Very good. Middle ear is the right answer. Middle ear is the right answer. Very good. Middle ear or ear is the right answer. Samarth, this is the question for you. Samarth, are you hear me? Able to listen to me? Make sure that you're able to hear. Can you say that?
Yes, sir.
And your phone, your face should be clearly visible to me, my friend. I can't see you properly. Yeah, can I? Now I can see you better. Here the question for you. There it goes. A person's father has the genotype BB, blue eyes. The mother has a genotype capital BB, brown eyes. What is the chance that any children will have the blue eyes? 25% chance. Expected value.
0% chance.
Samarth says 0% chance, and absolutely correct he is. 0% chance it will be brown. 0% chance is the right answer. 8th question in the last round, 4th round. Devansh, this is for you. Here we go. Very easy question, but be careful.
Do not have a chemical element form that periodic table named after it.
Which
Polonium, germanium, francium, Italian, and Japan. Japan, I think. Japan, B.
I'm so sorry, my friend. Nihonium in Japan is called the land of the sun, rising sun. There is a 113th element is the Japanese and done against Japanese. There is no Italian name. The answer is Italy. Very, very sorry about this. Very, very sorry about this, but that's fine. Good question. Good trying. At least you know the other 3 were there. Shashwat, you can hear me? Here is your question. Here is your question for the 30 seconds. This is an important, easy question actually again. I have my friend Parth giving me answers quickly. Oh, Parth, what's your answer? Natural
Mutations.
No. What is it called? No, it is not that, Parth. Anybody else? It's
Sir?
called the, yeah,
Sir, I think it is called mutation.
it is, I will not call it the mutations, it's called the genetic drift. In a way, this is
Right
the,
away.
yeah, okay. So I will give you -2 for this, not -5, because mutations is close to genetic drift, but it's not exactly the same. The last question on the round 4. I know it's been a very unusual quiz, Eureka quiz. On stage, it would have been far more interesting with the entire audience being there. I'm not able to do that. But then, this is for Aditya Sharma. Here, the question for you, my friend. Why does a person carrying a bucket full of water in his right hand, it's a physics concept, bend towards the left? Aditya Sharma. Very easy question, actually, if you ask me. Sorry?
So that his center of gravity can be balanced.
Brilliant. Center of gravity can be managed. That is the right answer. Center of gravity can be managed, so that he will do it. Very, very correct. So I'll go back and look at the end of 4 rounds, what's the status, and then take a call whether we need to do the last one or not. I'll tell you why, if at all I need to do the last one, if there is a possibility of tie or anything of that sort. Just let me look at it. End of round 4. I hope you can see this. End of round 4. Let's look at the scores. Round 4, Shaunak got 8 marks. We had Samarth getting 20. Very good. We had Devansh getting, unfortunately, -7. We had Shashwat getting -4. And we had Aditya getting +8. Which means the score that Shaunak has is 19. Samarth has 29. -16 for our friend Devansh. No problems. We have got to 32. Shashwat 32. And Aditya +8. That's like +5. One more question. There is a possibility that Shaunak can become number 1 close to. There is a possibility that Shashwat can be number 1. There is a possibility that Samarth can be number 1. All 3 possibilities. And if Shaunak loses -5, Aditya, you can become, and if you get it right, you can become number 3. There are 1, 2, 3 numbers. So here is what I'm going to say. I'm going to go do the last round, as I said. I will call it phase 2 last round. Each of this is the last round for all of you, my friends. The last round, 1 question each. 1 question each to every one of you. I'm going to showcase to you. I have one last question for any tiebreaker also. I'm going to showcase to you on screen a photograph. You need to tell me what is the photograph all about. Okay? Fair enough. Jayashree ma'am, may I request you to be without video so that I can see the other students, if you don't mind? Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you very much. So Shashwat, Shaunak, we'll go back to Shaunak. The first one will be Shaunak's. The second one will be Samarth. Third one will be Devansh. Shashwat will be 4th and Aditya will be 5th. The last round, 5 questions. 10 marks for the taking. You can still lose -5. No passing, no negatives. Okay, let's put it, no negatives for passing. Fair enough? Is that okay, all of you? No problems. Here we go. The first question to Shaunak Goswami. And 30 seconds to guess, what do you see on screen? What is responsible for these underwater crop circles? This had remained a mystery until 2011 when the creator was discovered. You have to unmute yourself before you give me an answer. Okay. Anybody, by the way? Anybody? Anybody in the audience? Anybody in the audience?
Sir, water currents?
No. Anybody in the audience? No, it's not magnetism. Parth Tripathi. Anybody else? Okay, the answer is very interestingly puffer fish. It's a mating ritual for them. It's okay. No marks deducted for you, Shaunak. I'll tell it since you make the pass, so 0 marks there. We will look at what you get. Samarth, here is your question. Samarth, here is your question. 30 seconds. Here we go. What are the structures, white structures in this image? Look at them carefully. Samarth, -5, 0 or +10 for you. Think about it. It's a difficult question, of course. I'm so sorry, but well, can't help it.
Sir, I don't know what is it.
Anything you can say closer to that also?
Sir, 5 marks would be deducted.
No, I will not give you 5 marks. I guess.
Sir, ice crystals?
Ice crystals. I will give you 5 marks for this, Samarth. Sorry, is it correct? Samarth. I'll give you, it's ice spikes. I will give you 5 marks because it was not an easy question at all. Very, very good try. Very, very good try. It's called penitents. It's called ice crystals or ice spikes. Very high altitudes where sunlight turns ice directly into water vapor than melting into ice. Very, very good try, Samarth. The third question is now to Devansh. Devansh, here it goes. What connects all these? What connects all these?
A black color.
Yes. Can you guess one more? Yes. What is associated with black color?
So, coke or carbon.
Very good. It is actually activated carbon. I will give you the full 10 marks. I will give you the 10 marks for this. It is carbon, black. Very, very nicely said, Devansh.
Thank
Now,
you, sir.
Shashwat Bajpayee, you have a chance to make history for yourself and get the coveted prize if you get 10. Otherwise, you might be second. Remember this. Look at the next question. It's an easy one I'm giving you. What is shown in the picture? 30 seconds. This is for you, Shashwat Bajpayee. Unmute yourself before giving an answer. Unmute yourself, Shashwat. Another 5 seconds to go. Otherwise, you'll get.
Something related to technology and all.
I do understand it is related to technology and all. They are transistor computers. Unfortunately,
something like a transistor.
But you've got it very late, my friend. I will not give you any 0 marks for this. Very unfortunately, but the time was up. The last question to Aditya Sharma. This is where it is. Can you tell me what this is, Aditya? Aditya Sharma. A substance when magnified under a microscope under 300 times, up to 300 times, looks like this. What is this? Somebody is very good, Parth. Very, very good.
Is this blood?
No. The answer is grains of sand. Grain of sand or sand itself. Okay. So here we get -5 for you. Let me just look at what is the scores we have got at the end of this wonderful quiz. Thank you so much for guys. You guys have been fantastic. But as I said, somebody has to win, somebody has to lose at the end of the day. at the round 4. Where is round 4 end? Round 3 here. Round 4 here. Just a second. Okay, round 4. I have given you these questions: activated carbons, transistors, and grain of salt. Here is what I have put it across. End of round 5, I am putting in the numbers 0, 5, 10, 0, minus 5. Let's see the answers total. This is 19 still, 34, minus 10 plus 6 is minus 6. This is 32, and this is 0. I guess we have a final winner on this. Tripathi ji, this is my final score. I know it's very, very close. Samarth and
Yes, sir.
Shashwat, you have been fantastic. So have you been, Shaunak, in the first and 2 rounds. Aditya,
Sir, can I say something?
who is this?
Sir Shashwat.
Yeah, Shashwat, tell me.
Sir, I think I gave the answer transistor within 30 seconds.
No. Tripathi ji, did he give?
Yes, sir.
It was within 30 seconds?
Within.
Yes.
Okay, okay. So guys, I was going through 30 seconds, but Mr. Tripathi is our judge also in terms of keeping the things. Then I will give it. I'm so sorry, Samarth. Then you just missed out by a whisker. 32 plus 10, 42 will be Shashwat then as the last one. Samarth, yes. 1 second. Let me make this small correction then.
Otherwise, we can have a tiebreaker if.
Actually, yes. What I'll do is, I will do this. Whoever gives the answer first, because I think there is a little bit of a couple of people on the chat also are giving me different kinds of things. I agree with you. After I told the answer is what Samarth Pratap Singh is saying. I agree with you, Samarth. I think this is not correct. That we will leave it out. First and second. The third is Shaunak for sure. Devansh and Aditya, thank you so much for being a wonderful part of this. Surely you guys have done a fantastic job. What I'm going to do, whoever gives this answer first, between Samarth and Shashwat. Shashwat, are you there? Unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Samarth, unmute yourself. Both of you, please unmute yourself. The rest of you, please mute yourself. Whoever first, there is a, if you click on participants, you can see participants. Now, when you click on participants, you can see on the bottom right hand side, there is something called hand raise, correct? Can you both of you click the hand, raise the hand?
Sir, just 1 minute.
Okay, Samarth has been able to do that. You can also do that, Shashwat. Samarth and Shashwat. Shashwat, can you also do this? Okay, you have done it.
Yes.
Now, and again, lower your hands. Lower your hands. Once again, do it. Okay. This is almost like a buzzer, guys. Whoever gives first will be the first name which comes to me. Is this clear? This is like a buzzer for you. The moment I open the question, whoever raises the hand first, you will not give me the answer. Whoever raises the hand first will be given the chance to answer the question. If you get it right, you will be the winner. If you get it wrong,
So the question will be reflected on screen.
yeah, it will be reflected on screen in a moment. The moment it is reflected on screen, if you give me an answer without the hand raise, then you will be number 2 already. If you raise your hand and give me a right answer, you are the winner. If you give me a wrong answer, the other person is the winner. Is that clear? Samarth and Shashwat, okay with this? Okay. Now, the person who raises the hand first and will be given the chance to answer. If he gives it correct, he is the winner. If he gets it wrong, then the other person will be the winner. If both of them get it wrong, both of them don't answer this question, then I am going to leave this at Shashwat as number 1 and Samarth as number 2. Fair enough? Here we go for that question. Tripathi ji, are we fine? आप भी देख लीजिएगा participants को click करके. Whoever comes first kind of things, we will know. Their hand will come first.
Okay, sir.
Okay, only
Ready.
Samarth and Shashwat. Both of you have to raise your hand. Here your question on screen. I have Shashwat Bajpai telling me what the question will be. Yes, Mr. Shashwat.
The inside part of a watermelon.
It is the inside part of a watermelon. It is the peeled watermelon. Absolutely correct, Shashwat. You will make it to the final. You have got the final. Thank you so much for being here. Tripathi ji, here is what we have the final score. Therefore, Shashwat is number 1, Samarth is number 2, and Shaunak is number 3. I'm very, very good that you guys tried and did it fantastically. I do understand this, my friends. I've also recorded this entire thing. If there's any kind of a dispute later, the principal ma'am, Dr. Kalpana Tripathi and Dr. S.C. Tripathi will take a decision. But I hope the last 1 hour you guys enjoyed whatever you were doing. Right? Tripathi ji, thank you so much.
Yes, sir, we really did.
Yeah. Thank you, Shashwat. Thank you, Shaunak. Thank you, Devansh. Aditya, you tried a lot. Parth, you were there too. Aviral, a lot of you who have been listening. Great. Thank you so much.
Can I just say something?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I'm Mrs. Jayashree and I'm one of the principals of City Montessori School.
Yes,
and
ma'am.
I'm absolutely elated to watch this quiz. Mr. Srinivas, you've done a wonderful job, and I have double reasons to celebrate because Shashwat Bajpai belongs to our campus.
Oh my goodness.
So
Awesome.
it was because of the anxiety. My video was on and I was clapping continuously. So sorry for that, breaking the rules, but I thought I should not leave this platform without, congratulating you for this wonderful, set of questions. It was amazing and awesome quiz. And I congratulate each and every participant here. Each one of them were extremely very good, well prepared. So thank you so much, Mr. Srinivas, for giving me an opportunity to speak here. Thank you.
Thank you
I
so
thank
much,
Kalpana
ma'am.
ma'am for the wonderful quiz ma'am has organized, and Dr. Tripathi for the exciting, moments he has given by keeping up the time and the time. Everything was awesome.
Thank
Thank
you, ma'am.
you. Thank you. Thank you so much. All the very best, guys. I mean, really would have enjoyed being in Lucknow and at CMS, which I normally very, very happily enjoy. But I think you guys did enjoy. All of you who have participated here too. Parth, special thanks to you too. Kalpana ji, you're muted, sir, ma'am.
I would like to say that it was close to the real quiz. Of course, very well done.
Thank
We
you so much.
enjoyed, and I was like a part. I was seeing it because I had this. I was
Thank you,
listening to your questions. Thank you.
Thank
Well
you.
done.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Jayashree ma'am. Thank you.
All the very best, Shashwat and Samarth and Shaunak, for being the 1, 2, and 3. Okay, I will. Tripathi ji, मैं end करूँ इसको अभी? Thank you so
Before
much.
you
for-
end it formally, sir, let me
Yes, sir.
thank the children first
Yes.
for making it lively and interactive and exciting. And
Absolutely.
of course, couldn't have been possible without you.
No, thank you, sir. Parth,
Thanks a
special mention to Parth, Arav, Aviral, all of them who have participated on the chat quiz also. They were parallelly giving me answers. Thank you so much, guys, to make my session also interesting. Samarth is saying, how will you get the prizes? It will be virtual prize you will get. I'm sorry, you will get it there. Don't worry. ठीक है? Sir, आप बता देंगे, त्रिपाठी जी?
Sir.
We will have prize distribution on the last day.
Okay, right. Thank you.
Thank you.